Good morning, love. So I wanna go to my favorite store, Forever 21 and her sister H&M. Cause I'm a little bit boring because I always do shopping online lately, and now I just wanna go outside then shop. What I love about that two store because you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy anything, but you still can bougie on the budget. That's what I love. They got cute and fancy stuff, but it's not even expensive, so you guys just be sharp on them. The tips from me: don't take your boyfriend to go there because they always blah blah blah, you take someone's hand. Just like that. My boyfriend always say like that, just take your girlfriend, take your mommy, take your bestie, and don't forget takes yummy cakes, chocolate, ice cream, and many things as you want before you shop. So if you have a good mood, you're gonna have a good stuff. Trust me baby. So I don't want to talk too much, I don't want you get boring with me, so let's get ready and ready to go. So my jacket please. So I want to show you first my leopard jeans jacket. I really freaking love with leopard pattern. This is my favorite one because so warm. Ooh, very soft. So now I'm ready to go. As you can see, I'm a leopard puppy, just bad. Just joking guys. Oh, last but not least, take your credit card, take your ATM. Just don't forget to take your wallet. Or with your boyfriend if you're gonna pay. That's a smart way. Remember, smart way. Oops, sorry, I'm back. I forgot to tell you guys today that two store is a big sale. So see you there, alligator.
So I'm in H&M now.
Hi Slay Bay. So many sale today. And first, I came stop to H&M. So let's get to Choker Station. Look what I found. The glamorous choker. And the pretty princessy choker. It's hard to me to decide which one I have to pick. But not need much time for that. And I decide to pick the glam one and the simple one. And I love this pink pom-pom charm, but I already have one. And this is my pink leopard fur phone case. I don't know why, I just crazy about fur. And see, look, this pink bunny. She say, take me mama. Okay boyfriend, I found your stuff here. This is called love triangle. It's time to shoes section. And look how soft this slipper. Like you're walking on the snow. And now it's time to goodbye to your dear money. As you can see, I just got a bit of cash in my card holder. Oh, and lately I often use my little black backpack to accompany me to any time, any place, any moment. Oh, I just want to remind you, honey, when you buy sale stuff in H&M, you have to double check before you pay it, because the rule is you cannot return it after you pay. I can't stop to looking around when sale season is coming. Oh, look how stunning this sequin top. You can slay with this sparkly baby. And look how gorgeous this unicorn fur coat. Dusty pink kinda been the most favorite color lately. So let's check pullover rack. Oh, hi Mickey. Oh my goodness. Catwoman with pink color? Oh yeah, baby. You on my list. Oh, sparkly Goldie. So I'm done in H&M. I got the choker. So we're to the next stop. Now I'm in Forever 21. Let's so you know, H&M and Forever 21, it's my favorite duo to shop. Like a tagline, Bougie on a budget. Hey baby and mama penguin. So let's get in the playground. I found Ariana Grande cat ear. Ooh, look how the blink it is. I got a bunch ear bando collection. From cat ear, flower ear, panda ear, till the most my favorite is Minnie Mouse ear. Oh, I found flower mini ear. How pretty this one. And don't forget to check stuff on the box. Sometimes you can get hidden treasure with a good deal. Trust me. Like this one, how cute, a green Christmas tree sparkly little bag. And this baby ginger cookie pouch. Maybe I can buy for my niece. And this Mr. Mini pineapple white clutch. Here's sunglasses by the way. And so many little cuties sparkly pouch in this section. How pretty this unicorn pouch. And this nerdy Goldie glasses. Who don't need this to look innocent? So many color choice of panda ear bando. Shocking pink is always be my choice. Oopsie, you can call me clumsy. Why? I always drop a thing in my hand. Always. Sleepers. Who don't love sleepers? Oh, hi, baby cheetah. You're so cute. I will adopt you now. Sometimes I don't know what happened about my eyes. If I see sparkly things, it's like I'm a Superman mid kryptonite. I'm gonna be wigged and buy it. Like this tumbler. Even I already got a lot, I can stop to buy it. Buy, and buy again. And like this one, kinda big temptation to me to not buy. Baby blue backpack. Ew, sexy, sexy. I love body chain. I imagine how lovely this brooch in my boobies. This one my favorite. Backpack and backpack again. Ooh. Look at this one. Oh my god. Pink for heels. Can't handle it to try. Oh my god, my feet looks like pink poodle. Oh, boot track. It's always be my diss track. You know about the tag, black is never wrong. And jeans boot, it's kinda hypes right now. Imagine how sexy your legs if you wear this. I guess I choose this one. Oh, I have to take a look at pajamas. Pajamas nowadays, it's so freaking cute. Even just for sleep, you have to be lit. Measure your underwear size, girls. Let's make your lady love feel good. Oh, how cute this purple velvet. This is cover for my lady love. If you love make a slumber party with your girls, take this bunny. And don't forget to take this panda too. Okay, Slay Bay, I guess I'm done for this shopping sale adventure. I will make video haul for what I bought here, okay? Bye! Finally, I got home, but I'm a little bit exhausted, but I'm so happy today because I got a lot of stuff. I will show you what I bought on that two store in my next video, so just stay tuned in my channel. Can't wait to share with you guys. So bye for now, Slay Bae.